Welcome back. Today I want to share with us how to fix our heart wire inside our fascinator, our heart. Many people are complaining on how to fix, they don't know how to fix their wire in their fascinator. I decided to share these tips with us. First of all, we'll be needing our tape rule for measurement. We need our tape rule, paper tape, sorry, and our UHU gum and our bias strips and wire cutter. These are the things we'll be needing for this project. So now I want to start by measuring my heart wire. This is the accurate way of getting the measurement that will suit your fascinator. You have to measure it first of all. After you have measured, you have to measure it like this. Yes, this is 30 inches. So you have to measure your wire. You have to get 30 inches from your wire also. So this is 30. So what you will do is to use your wire cutter to cut 30 inches. I will not be doing that because I already have my 30 inches wire I have cut out while I want to do this before I decide to share it with you guys. So this is my 30 inches. I have cut it out and secure it with my paper tape. I want to use it to do this my work before I decide to share the tips with you people, because a lot of people are struggling with this. That is why I am doing this. I hope it will help somebody. This is it. So this is how to apply it. You have to force it in to enable the fascinator to stand firm. You see, there we go. This fascinator will remain like this. Nothing will make it to bend at any time unless you force it. But if there's no wire inside, forget it. So now I'll need to cover the rough edges inside, and I'll be doing that using my bias strip. I'm using red color because I want to, this heart will be color red at the end of the day. That's why I'm making use of my red bias. So guys, this is how I do mine. You can do your own any way you please. You can sew it with your sewing machine. You can just decide to use gum to bring everything down, cover it like that, but it will not be neat. So if you want your work to be very, very clean, you need to do this. See, you need to do this. If there's anything you don't understand in this tutorial, feel free to give me a call, chat me up on my WhatsApp. I'll be there to answer your questions. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to see more little tips on how to make your fabulous headgears, fascinators, hats, autogeles, and turban. By the grace of God, we'll be sharing things here. Anything shareable, we'll share with you people. Don't be offended if this video is not up to your standard. You just need to do something. I know it will help somebody somewhere. So continue watching. Don't be afraid, this video is free. It's free. You're not paying money to watch this video. I decide to share these things. Here we are. We'll be needing our scissors now to cut the excess bias. So this is it. You can see how neat this is. You can see how clean it's looking now. So this one is ready. It's ready. The wire is being fixed. Everything is ready just for me to put on the spray and the design on it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button so as to be notified anytime we post new video. Thank you and God bless you.